With ChurchTrac Accounting, there are three basic terms you need to be familiar with. The first is accounts. An account can be anything from a basic checking or savings account with your bank to a mortgage or loan, or even a credit card or a money market account. Basically anything that comes with a monthly financial statement. The next is categories. Categories allow you to track how money is flowing into and out of your organization. And the third is funds. Funds allow you to track a special or designated balance of money at your organization. To show you how these three terms are different and interact with each other, let's give you an example. We'll use the youth fund. Let's say that right now you have a youth fund at your church and the balance is $0. Now let's say that the youth group is going to youth camp this summer and the cost of camp is $3,000. As the members of the youth raise their money and turn it in to pay for their youth camp, let's say that they've raised a total of $2,500. So you deposit that $2,500 in your church's checking account. Now you log into ChurchTrac and enter that as a deposit into your accounting feature here. So the first thing you'll do is you'll click the checking account at the top of the screen and then click New Transaction at the bottom of the screen. We're going to select a deposit as the transaction type, and in the description we'll describe this as a deposit. And under category, we're going to choose youth camp deposits or youth camp payments. And this will be the youth camp income category, which is tied to the youth fund. And then we'll enter the amount, $2,500, and click Save. Now if we go back to the Funds tab and select Youth Fund, now we see we have $2,500 as the current fund balance. Now let's say we have to pay for transportation to and from camp. So we go back into the Accounts tab, select the checking account, and again select the New Transaction. This time it's going to be an expense, and we even have a payee or a memorized transaction for the transportation company, ABC Transportation. And I've already got loaded in the category and fund that the money is coming from. In this case, it's a youth camp expense category, and the subcategory is camp transportation, and that's also tied to the youth fund. So you see that you can tie multiple categories, income and expense categories, to a single fund. Now let's say that the cost of transportation is $750. If we click Save, go back into the Funds tab, and check the youth fund, now we see we have $1,750 as our current balance. So this way you see how accounts, categories, and funds are related to one another and interact with each other but are distinct things. So that's it for today for our video on basic terms and examples. If you need further assistance, please check out our online user guide at churchtrac.com/support. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks and have a blessed day.